You walked into this store today for exactly one thing, a small $4 candle. That's it. That was the whole plan. 90 minutes later, you're pushing a packed cart, a rolled-up rug, 3 plants, a box of wine glasses, and a flat-pack couch you never planned on buying at all. You never got lost by accident. Not even once. IKEA spent decades engineering a machine to make sure that happens to you. Every single time. Every IKEA store on Earth is built around one rule. There is only one path through the building, and it is not the shortest one. No aisles you can skip. The small doorways marked shortcut almost dare you not to use them, while the store quietly hopes you won't. Retail designers actually have a name for this specific layout trick. They call it the long natural path, and it's used almost everywhere. It's not a badly designed building. It's the most deliberate layout in retail, refined since the 1960s, and used in nearly identical form in every store worldwide. The moment you walk in, you cross an open area with tall ceilings and almost no products, the Decompression Zone, designed to let your guard drop before the selling starts. Now notice what's conspicuously missing near the entrance. No windows anywhere. No clocks on the walls either, not a single one in the whole building. Once you're inside, you lose your 2 easiest references for tracking time as it passes, and most people never even notice it happening. Studies on retail environments show shoppers who lose track of time linger significantly longer, and time in-store correlates directly with money spent. The staged rooms, couch, lamp, rug, a shelf of books that aren't real, aren't there to sell furniture. They're selling you a life you want to live in. Store designers actually have a technical term for this entire technique. They call it environmental merchandising, and it's remarkably effective on almost everyone who walks through. Price tags themselves are kept small and easy to miss entirely. But the warm, cozy feeling the room gives you? That part is impossible to miss. Even the rooms themselves are built narrower at the entrance, opening wider as you walk through, a theater set trick that pulls you deeper into the maze without you noticing. If this is opening your eyes, hit like and subscribe. We break down more of these hidden tricks every week. After the showrooms comes the marketplace hall. Candles, frames, kitchen gadgets, all under $10. The big furniture pieces are often loss leaders, barely profitable, priced to get you in the door. The margin is here. In the impulse buys your brain doesn't bother running the numbers on. By this point, you've walked past dozens of showrooms. Your resistance is measurably lower, what retailers call decision fatigue. The floor plan is built to hit you with temptation exactly when you're least equipped to say no. The restaurant sits in the middle of the store, not the exit, on purpose. Said purpose. Hungry shoppers tend to rush through and skip entire aisles without looking. Fed, relaxed shoppers linger far longer in every single section. The famous $1 hot dogs barely turn a profit because the restaurant's real job isn't revenue. It's resetting you to keep shopping longer, calmer, for the second half of the maze. Even the cinnamon roll smell near checkout is timed. Scent marketing that puts you in a more generous, less price-sensitive mood right at the final impulse racks. None of this is hidden. IKEA has openly described the long natural path in interviews. That's what makes it so effective. Knowing about the maze barely helps you escape it. You can walk in fully aware of every trick in this video, and still leave with a candle you never planned to buy. That right there is the real engineering triumph of the entire building. It was never really about the furniture at all. The 45 minutes it takes you to find the exit of a building you meant to spend 10 minutes in.